Kani gadega Patisi TV, bat pidang pet yaki kubor baman kasngi.
Henne kasngi ka arpunyo trek ulber, rengkat berak kawai kari India, hakani ke Jylla Meghalaya ru la Rakhe, ya ka National Science Day. Ya ka bala pelong, ha Shillong Science Center jong ka Sekolah Bah North Eastern Hill University. Hakani ke Rakhe, u Chief Secretary jong ka Jylla, Vice Sering IAS Officer, ulalong kongsan. Rengkat ke Jingyi don lang, u Pro Vice Chancellor jong ka Sekolah Bah Nehu, u Ba Henry Lamin, bat kiwai di ka Officer Sarkar. Ya kani kasngi la punpo penpeng susu da kejinga simentaru jongki kena na ki skol baper ki ba nakani ga district. Hakani kasngi kena skol ki layo ya kejing hikai haki benta baper na ki reusim pang ka subject science badro ban pen ya ki sap ki phong jongki hakani ka subject lengba ka exhibition ka bala pelong hapo kani hi ki jaka.
Here is a challenge for you, our young boys, to, of course there are some solutions already invented like water harvesting, making small checks and dams to retain the water, but I don't know, there may be in this house, there may be somebody who will bring up a better solution, better innovation, better scientific. Similarly, we all know that Shillong, many of the localities, we have shortage of water. And some people have taken the advantage of invention, like water harvesting, and they are getting enough water, and even sharing to the neighbors. So these are the inventions are there. So it's up to us what will make use of it. Now challenges are there. In medical science we have advanced lots, but here challenges are still there. HIV, people are yet to find an answer to medicine for such disease. We have cancers. Of course, they have chemotherapy or whatever, but still, there are so many challenges you have, young boys and girls. We are old, so we don't know whether we can only encourage you and provide this thing. But these are the challenges you have. But when you go back to school, don't keep it yourself. You share with your friends, because knowledge is one thing. Dr. Henry was, other day you were saying, knowledge is one thing, a thief cannot steal. If you have a gold, he will come and steal. If fire broke your house, whole house can be burned, but knowledge will remain with you. And above all, if you share your knowledge, instead of diminishing, it will increase, to my mind. So I am sure that the most important wealth or property you will own, which will not be finished or which will not diminish, is your knowledge. I am sure that all of you have come here and you will be learning a lot of knowledge from our professors. And I am sure they will not only give you the knowledge, they will encourage you, create a scientific temper, and one day, let us hope that you will shine and contribute for the betterment